ebintu ebiro ebinge sana ubona to montara kwa ni ya tujaje south.
Okay.
But for the time being, I'll prefer Kiria Ebine.
Okay.
I've got within about the vested interest here.
Sure.
There are things I might not speak now. Burwe binguja kukwane kakiye campaign. For the last 15 years, to about mubungu kurukwa unyunga. Entena roche, agokora. Aroche rusi chiskuru oribirama. Ubichenja. Ubike different ya mabati. The same roads sharing under Kera, sharing under him. I never saw anything. In Magana Yeramir or something like that. Ekogera Muskuru, Tamia and Tanganimbar with almost 50 kilometers, Chichilami, Chich constituency, Jericho. Unfortunately, as I took the charges out in Church Kubwatiwa, implemented. There are some places in Bonchari, Nyadivali, Wasi, Masawa, Nindo, Chincha, what it work Akanaka, so there could be some 30-40 kilometers of tarmac roads. One I got to go to Mushimiwa Kibageni.
Yes.
You to go to Chikuriji Chaira, is the current member of parliament. And again, Tanara Ravokara. And one Chiskuru Chincha Rusitu Mavati, and I want to answer with Chikita. Each chain link. Some of the schools, some of the like Muguruka Chicho Chiavana school. So that's what I've seen.
Okay.
And I've seen Karongo Etabu Sero Matari and Arari Boholi Mirari Sabu Gincha. Iranda Sito Mata, Narona Rasa school area. These in the borehole near the mirror, it was a school and the surrounding. But unfortunately, in the Gikuru Kuchipara, Chicha went to Kabaita as a kera, was a kura, was a kiano, born the governor to work one there in a very bad shape. The Okuru get Tarega, which Misho Arabi, that road is in a pathetic situation. Kerokuru Avukanunda, Aiga Nyamataro and the Kanundo and Deiranda, that road is in bad state. Karukuru Yatiakutri Mukaguchi Nyakoe, Bariri in a bad state. A Karukuru Nyakoe and the Matongo, Bogikaria, that road is in a bad shape. Karukuru either Bukikagati Mabu, Toge Kujoso Kenchire Yange, the road is in a bad. I'm talking about Chipara Chirichakera. John's Beach in a bad shape.
Yes.
A chair was it last year, Charikwe Maram, Charikwe Maram Musini Nisana, Embroichu which a once, Yakorora. So literally, even a binary. But in terms of representation, in terms of fighting for the people,
yes.
Why, we'll say in terms of parliamentary, whatever, my politics and the politics you can almost be the same in terms of standing up for the people.
Yes.
What's called defend in parliament, constituency, yao, what have a psycho-want. What I say about the engineering Kwanget Koropo, I hate being a psychopath.
Okay.
So, Marengo here, my feelings, no muchumbe, the current member of parliament, we almost go together. Like in terms of the road infrastructure on the ground, and Mangana school, Kogitera school, there are a lot of complaints in our school, and they were Kogitera shilling million. Mbili chari milioni 6 milioni 1 chari milioni. I have no evidence, but that's what I'm hearing. But personally, I cannot say about the specific evidence. So the scale of 1 to 10, muchumba rona vanko mwa 5